Welcome to ASC Tutorials. Today, I'm going to draw some grass. I'm going to choose a pressure brush and I'm going to place a block of dark green color lower on the canvas. To create a straight line, especially if you're a digital artist, hold Shift while drawing. It's a literal lifesaver. Choose a fairly medium shade of green and start adding lines. Short, straight lines indicate a nicely shaven lawn, while adding length to your lines adds length to your grass. To make the grass even more wild, draw lines back and forth in an M motion erratically. Each layer of grass can overlap, but make sure to leave some of the dark green visible. Choose a lighter shade of green and repeat the same motions, drawing offset from the medium shade of green. Lastly, pick a yellow-green and sparingly draw lines on the surface of the grass, keeping the lighting direction in mind. Here are the line patterns I recommend using when drawing long grass especially. And that's it! How to draw grass. If you have any suggestions on what I should cover how to draw, make sure to leave a comment. Until next time on ASC Tutorials.